Good afternoon, fellow YouTube viewers. Well, shining for another YouTube video. This is Kurri railway station, or the old platform. I'll zoom in. It starts up there, and then comes all the way around. And it's actually quite a long platform. Goes all the way down there. Sorry about the rough video. Due to not getting able to park near it, I'll walk up on it. I thought I'd just film from here. So that's pretty much it. Trains do come on this line, but you will see them in the very odd occasion. So that's pretty much the railway station for Kurri. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, and I'll see you next video.